How to update CRA account after PR in 2025 full tutorial. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can update CRA account after PR in 2025 full tutorial. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for canada.ca/en.html, the official website of the Canadian government, and then you have to scroll down, and on the last section you can see the departments and agencies. You just have to simply click on here and scroll down and search for the Canada Revenue Agency. As you can see, the CRA. You just have to simply click on here, and then you have to scroll down and click on update your information, and after that you can see there are multiple options like individuals, businesses, charities, direct deposits, and many more. So you just have to click on individuals. So here you can see all the options like change your address, change your phone number, change your email address, change your name, change your marital status, change your direct deposit, change your language of correspondence, change your correspondence preference online. So you can just update any of the information from here. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.